Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show how to fix the Green Waves UE4 zero-year client crash. Launch the game via EP Games or TIM. It's even easier that way. Well, through EP Games, yeah, we can fix it. Click the repair button, then hit confirm. Once it's done, try playing the game. Hopefully the error will be fixed. Close it. If that didn't work, click on Properties. Go to Compatibility. Check these two boxes, then click Apply. If that doesn't help, update your drivers. Let's say I have NVIDIA. If you have AMD, go to AMD. See, I could update, but I won't. Here we go to the drivers. Click Check for updates. For AMD, do the same. Install drivers, then try again. Also, remove any cracks or localizers you've installed. Try without them. They might be causing issues. This could be affecting your problem. This has been Whaler. See you all later.